2017 Grand Sport Corvette, and the gas door wouldn't open. So I tried to find out on the internet, and everybody said to just put this pin in here because there's a lock right here. I ended up pushing the button on the remote, and I was able to unlock it because as you open it, you can hear a noise. Let's see. Yeah, hear that? So that's this little lock that unlocks the gas door, and it goes into this pin, or this hole. So I found on the internet there was this part. It is this one. It's just this little motor that goes around and it moves in and out, and it moves the pin. So here's the housing. It goes right here. There's a gas door that goes on here. And here's that little hole with that little pin that locks the gas door. So instead of sticking a little piece in there to block it so that it doesn't lock anymore, I couldn't find this stupid little thing. This ends up coming out. Hang on. So here's the part number is actually 841-95316, and it's the housing of the problem. I was trying to find the part, and apparently they don't sell it separately. So what I'm going to do is just take it off. That's my plan anyway. This just unplugs, and that goes in underneath. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so far I've taken out, there's 3 T15s, and then I'm going to pull that thing back so I can access in here. Okay. So you can see that white piece is the motor. From the housing. And a little arm. There's that little black arm right there that I have popped out. Okay, I've pulled it out, and as you can see, this doesn't work. It's just stripped. Nothing happens. Looks like I gotta pull this little tab out to get this thing off. One-way tab. Cool. Hey. Ha. Oh, now I just got to get it back in there. So I decided to take this apart. Whoa. So it's just a little motor, and a little gear, and a little push out. Trash now. Okay, so that. Now if I hit the lock button, see the little pin. Let's see if I can push the button. Unlock. Lock. Cool. Let's go put it back together.